Hello everyone and welcome to Steam Night. Tonight's Steam Night is all about building our own hand grabber. So I have made one previously and you can see to my hand grabber I've added duct tape and cups in order to scoop. But let's go ahead and open up our packet and see what we've got inside. Let's see here. We will always have a build guide with this. And it has some suggested tools, and it has a list of everything that you can be found in the bag. So let's see here. There are some materials that you can supply if you want to make your hand grabber fancier. That can be anything from cans to these little cups to soda bottles, whatever you think would make your hand grabber more exciting and more complicated. So let's get started. So for this hand grabber, I have 4 strips, and I also have some screws and some bolts. So let me get these out, and I also have some of these little strips. I also have a dowel that I'm not going to be using today, but maybe you can find some fun way to incorporate this dowel into your hand grabber. So the first thing I'm going to do is cross over the 2 strips. So let's see here. And then I'm going to screw in this screw. Now you can use a screwdriver if you want, or you can just use your fingers because it's really not that hard. And I'm going to keep screwing on this one. And you can see it's going the whole way through. So as soon as you get it to a length you would like to be, you can screw the bolt on. And again, you can always use a tool, but I'm just for simplicity's sake, I'm just using my fingers. And you can see I have made a grabber. This one's a little hard to pick up, but there you go. I can pick it up with this one. Now, let's say I want to attach my old grabber that I created a couple weeks ago to my new grabber. I can do that too and make one big grabber. So let's see here. It's the same idea. I'm going to take my screw and screw it through one. Just takes a little bit of patience. There we go. I screwed it through that one, and then I'm going to screw it through this one. Almost there. Almost there. Hope you guys have been having a good summer with us so far. And again, these packets will be available this week at the youth services desk upstairs in the library. While supplies last. Let's put this one on. There we go. So I've got one side of my giant grabber done. Let's see if I can do the other side. As my reamer rolls away. Let's see here. Again, we're going to screw this one. Here it goes. Through this way. Put it in this one and keep going. Almost there. Just takes a little bit of patience. It's getting a little bit stuck, but it's getting there. There we go. Take the nut right here. Put it on there. And look what we have created. We have made a mega grabber. How cool is that? We could pick up beans, we could pick up water, we could pick up really anything we want to pick up with this mega grabber. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. Again, all the supplies you need to make these grabbers are in this bag that you can, or a bag that you can pick up from the youth services desk upstairs in the library. For this week, first come, first serve. So thank you so much. Have a good evening. See you later.